Hey, it's Heather, your certified high performance coach. This video is for all my recreation therapy professionals. I have got an amazing and exciting opportunity for you. I've just designed a virtual workshop called Energize and Empower, Overcoming Burnout in Recreation Therapy. The best part is that it is 100% free and you will earn 1 hour of CEU credit. And as another added bonus, it is already pre-approved by NCTRC. So if you're looking to take this free CEU workshop and gain some knowledge and tools on how you can overcome burnout in recreation therapy, this is the perfect workshop for you. Because it's free, spots are limited, so make sure you grab your seat as soon as possible. Just go to my website at wellnessrecreation360.com. It'll be listed under programs and workshops. I'll also make sure to put a link in the comments below, so all you have to do is click and register. If you know anyone else who is interested in getting a free CEU hour, make sure you send this to them as well so that they can sign up and you can learn with your buddy too. Hope to see you there.